Far Rockaway is an amazing place in the summer, and there's so much construction going on here that if you're in the market for a home, this might just be the right place for you. Hey, Mama knows best, and she always tells you to eat your vegetables. What better than to live right by Edgemere Farms, where you've got fresh kale, cucumber, it's farm to table at its best. Are you searching for a home? Are you an investor? Do you love New York City? Well, guess what? I've got the best price property in Queens. Get ready. This property features 2 buildings on 1 lot. Welcome to 441 Beach 43rd Street in Far Rockaway. Let's check out unit number 1. It's a 5-room, 1 bath. Let's go. Welcome to Unit 2. Unit 2 features a 3-room and 1 bath. We're New Yorkers. We're tough, but we know how to give a little TLC. That's just what this house needs. Glad you like Far Rockaway and that great opportunity on 43rd Street. Give us a call for your own private tour and be sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys back in the neighborhood.